Baby things.
Diaper.
Diaper. The diaper keeps the baby clean and dry. Stroller.
Stroller.
Do you like to go out in a stroller?
Crib.
Crib.
What is a crib? It is a small bed for a baby to sleep in. Pacifier.
Pacifier. The man pops a pacifier into the crying baby's mouth.
Diaper.
Stroller.
Crib.
Pacifier.
Bib.
Bib.
Bibs keep food off your nice clothes.
Car seat.
Car seat.
A car seat keeps you safe when you are in the car.
Stroller.
Stroller.
Two women are pushing a stroller.
Diaper.
Diaper.
The baby needs a new diaper now.
Bib.
Car seat.
Stroller.
Diaper.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle. Would you like to drink milk from a milk bottle? Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Jane loves to play with her teddy bear. What about you?
Bib.
Bib. Do you wear a bib when you are eating?
Car seat.
Car seat.
Remember to buckle up when you are in a car seat.
Milk bottle.
Teddy bear.
Bib. Car seat.
High chair.
High chair.
Do you sit in a high chair when you are eating?
Rattle.
Rattle.
You can make noise by shaking a rattle.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle. Dad gives the baby a milk bottle at night so mom can sleep. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Do you like to sleep with your teddy bear? High chair.
Rattle.
Milk bottle.
Teddy bear.
Crib.
Crib.
A crib is where a baby can play safely.
Pacifier.
Pacifier.
The baby is sucking a pacifier while sleeping.
High chair.
High chair.
The baby sitting in the high chair is hungry.
Rattle.
Rattle. Mark shakes rattles with both of his hands.
Crib.
Pacifier.
High chair.
Rattle.